بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. My dear students, today we will start a new lesson of your textbook, lesson number 8, work. My dear students, topics we are going to study today are number 1, wages or salary. Number 2, homemakers. Number 3, professions. Number 4, skilled and unskilled workers. And number 5, volunteers. Okay, my dear students, let's start. My dears, when you grow up, what do you want to be? Yes, at some time in their life, everybody has to choose a job. Everyone needs to work to earn an income. My dears, people who work are paid wages or salary. With the money they earn, they can buy the things that they need. My dear students, our next topic is about homemakers. My dears, some people do not get paid for the work they do. For example, many mothers work very hard. They cook, do the shopping, look after the children, take care of their homes, and many other tasks. They are homemakers. My dears, today many women also have jobs outside the home and get paid for the work they do. People have to study hard for many years to become doctors, scientists, professors, and engineers. Jobs like these are called professions. My dear students, now we will discuss about skilled and unskilled workers. My dears, people who work in factories and offices have to be trained. When they are trained, we say that they are skilled. For example, computer operators, crane operators, technicians, and mechanics. And my dear students, manual workers are those who work with their hands, doing hard work like digging or working as a loader or a gardener. They are usually strong but unskilled and semi-skilled. My dear students, now let's discuss who are volunteers. My dear students, people who do social service and work to help others are generally not paid. They are volunteers who offer to work free of charge. My dears, in Pakistan, 42% of people work in agriculture, 24% work in industry, and 34% work in services. Firstly, we will discuss about agriculture. My dears, agriculture is the term for all kinds of work to do with farming, such as growing crops or caring for animals to provide food, wool, and other products. Industry is a term for work in making things or working with raw material, such as manufacturing cloth from cotton. Now at last we will discuss about services. Services is the term for all kind of work involving repairs and maintenance of machines, buildings, and other things. My dears, now we will discuss about jobs. Dears, when you begin to work, you should choose a job which interest matches your interest and enable you to serve your country. There are many jobs to choose from, For example, carpenter, engineer, farmer, accountant, porter, teacher, artist, dentist, chef, lawyer, pilot, sailor, architect, designer, shopkeeper, and soldier. My dears, the reading of this lesson has been completed now. Inshallah, we will meet in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.